Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use Hey Siri on iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can check that your device is updated to the latest version. So launch the settings app. Here you can see general option, tap on it and you can see about section. Here you can see iOS 17 is up to date. So go back again, open the settings app and scroll down and find Hey Siri, search and Siri, tap on it. Now you can see listen for Siri, tap on it. Here you can see Hey Siri, Siri or Hey Siri. I am tap on Hey Siri. Here you can see enable Siri, tap on it. Now you can see set up Hey Siri, tap on it. Now you can see Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get our directions home. Hey Siri, get our directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now you can see that Siri is ready. Tap on done button. Here you can see share audio recordings or not now. Tap on not now and go back. Now you can see that listen for Hey Siri is. So go back and use Hey Siri. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.